Hello guys, today's project is about smart home extension, in which you can also call it smart home automation, in which we are controlling LED lights, ceiling fans, and any electronic appliances which is operate in mains supply, in which we have to use this IR remote, and this is IR receiver, and this is relay LED power supply, and ESP8266 Nodemcu, and using this, all of this, we operate our appliances. This is my woofer, which is controlled by this IR receiver, and operates with relay, which switching on, switching off main supply. This is the output supply, 230 volt, and this is the main supply which is using to get 5 volt supply to operate this Nodemcu IR receiver relay LED light. So it also parallelly connected to the my woofer. So but it operate using this remote. Okay, when I pressed this button, it's on the green LED, and when I press this button, okay, I press this button, it on the woofer. So now when I pressed this key, it on the LED, and again I press this button. Okay, when I this button pressed, it on my woofer, it shows blue LED. Okay, when I press this button, it on my woofer LED, it's on. Okay, it's buzzing. So again I press, it's off my woofer, and also when I press this button, it shows green LED. I can reprogram, so when I pressed any of the button, this green LED will glow and off after some second. So hope you see my project, and you want this complete circuit and program, comment it, and like the video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.